Hi there, my name is Elaine Keller and I'm a RE/MAX real estate representative with RE/MAX Solid Gold in Waterloo, Ontario. I've been a real estate agent for the past 20 years. This is my office. I come here on a daily basis. This location of RE/MAX is at 180 Weaver Street South in Waterloo. I'm sure you've seen this building located on Weaver Street in Waterloo. Well, this is my office and you are more than welcome to pop in and visit me anytime. For those who don't know my car, here it is. And I usually park here. So if you ever see it, pop in. It'd be awesome to see your smiling face. Come on in. I'll introduce you to the front desk. Our front desk is extremely friendly. And when you approach, you get to see the girls. Come on in. Meet the administration department. Hi, ladies.
Hello. Hello.
These ladies write my paychecks. These halls are filled with colleagues who work with me and are busy at work. That's why all their doors are closed. This is where all the negotiations happen. Welcome. I'll sit here with my clients to negotiate offers on properties we're purchasing and listings that we're selling. It's a quiet room. We can hang out, and sometimes I'm here for hours. And when we're here for hours, I get a little thirsty. I wonder if there's somewhere we can go to get a drink. Come on. Well, here's the kitchen. Should you get thirsty, we've got a coffee machine, hot chocolate, tea, anything to kind of sort of wet your whistle. Negotiation is a lot of work. Yes, hola. More admin in our department here. Thought we'd say hi. Hi. That was a whirlwind tour, but now you can see where I hang out every single day, waiting to buy and sell with the best that comes walking through this door. Thanks for watching.